since combing out my locks, my hair has not been the same. So I'm like, you know what, enough is enough. Let's just go ahead and switch it up. So I am heading over to Solo Salons to see my girl Dana. She is the owner of Hair Angels Salon. Let's go. Okay, so you know the shampoo is good, like, when you could barely keep your eyes open. Y'all, like, this is, like, the best shampoo. But anyways, prior to shampooing my hair, we did talk about my hair, the issues I was having with the hair loss and the breakage. And I also sent her over a video, just kind of giving her, like, an idea as to how short I wanted to go, the look I was going for. And now we are just creating something close to that look.
You know what I kind of look like right now? You know Grace Jones.
Oh my God.
You can't tell me the side of my face I don't look like Grace Jones. Maybe just how I look at this picture. I feel like Grace Jones.
Yes, y'all, Grace Jones. I said what I said. Y'all see it. You see, I clown myself. You ain't even got to worry about clowning me. But anyway, so when we were done with that, I just jumped back into the bowl. She worked me down, and then she had styled me. Sat in the dryer for couple minutes because it takes my hair a second to dry. But here is the final look, y'all. I am absolutely loving my hair. Dana never lets me down, y'all, from braids, quick weave, sew-ins, y'all. She do perm rod sets, like whatever you need. Like, she got you. She got you. So, yep, here's my new look.